Okay, today I wanted to do a revisit of my 1990-91 Galaxy 3713. This is a fan I found at my school a long time ago. It's still running great. It actually runs a little bit better than it did in the last video. It's a lot cleaner this time around. I found some cleaner that was strong enough to get that dirt that was just so stuck on the grills off. Believe it or not, the cleaner actually came from a dollar store, and the stuff is so potent when I spray it I kind of have to use a fan going next to me because the fumes of the stuff will make you choke. It's called Lasko Totally Awesome. It's some powerful stuff. But he sure did a good job getting this fan clean, that's for sure. Thing's real nice and clean now. Nice and white again. And one big addition is its handle. Yes, the handle is metal. What I did was I made 3 or 4 replacement handles for this fan. They all broke in like the first month. So I said, screw this. I found this metal like coat hanger thing. It hangs on a door. Straightened it out and made it into a handle for my fan. It's not the straightest thing ever. It's also not the most comfortable thing to lift ever. But I guarantee it ain't never going to break off. I was getting really sick of that. That was just getting irritating. Also, since the last video, I'll show you how that handle works. Works pretty good. The switch plate fell off. I re-glued that. The back grill got a bit more banged up. The original cord went bad, so I had to make all this setup for it. Motor lost a bit more of its paint because I cleaned it and a bit more of it came off. Eventually I'm going to paint this thing's motor white, and it's going to look like one of the first ones to use the metal motor. I think that'll look pretty good. Yeah, I'm still really loving this fan. It definitely put its 2 cents in last summer. We ran this thing hard. It sat right in my living room, and it saw some serious use. I tell you what, this thing did a great job. This thing will outperform a 3rd gen liquid all day long, any day. This thing's way more powerful. I've compared it, and it just shoves so much more air. It's a great fan overall, it really is. It outperforms both my gray bladers too, and all of my other Laskos that use this style blade. I don't know what it is with this fan, but it runs faster and it moves more air at like slower RPMs. This one on low moves as much air as one of my other Laskos on medium. Then medium moves as much air as they do on high. Then high just moves more air than they could ever dream of moving. Same thing with Lakewood 3rd generation box fans, except this moves more air on low than they move on high. There's just so many differences, and it's so easy to tell. But we ran this thing all summer long. I think we turned it off 2 times the whole summer. We would use it on high all day long, then on warm nights medium and cool nights low. And I only turned it off like once a month to let the motor cool down. And I tell you, by the time the season was over, this thing was pretty dirty, and it really needed a cleaning. But actually, I just got that stuff off the grills about 20 minutes ago, maybe. I found some new cleaner, decided to try it, and all that dirt just fell right off. I don't know what that stuff is, but I tell you what, I found some new cleaner to clean my fans. Anyway, that's it for this video, so as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.